Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can reset your Windows 11. So you want to head over to settings. Once you're in settings, you just want to type here or just go to system. From system you're going to have recovery. Go to recovery. From recovery you just want to press on reset PC. I'm not gonna reset my PC, but from here you can choose the two options. You can either keep your files. This is gonna remove apps and settings, but it's gonna keep your personal files, or you can just remove everything. Now if you want to reset your Windows 11, I would suggest select the second option, remove everything, create a backup of all your files and all your information and everything that's important to you, and other than that just remove everything after creating that backup. Now I'm not gonna reset my PC because there's nothing really an issue, but if you're having an issue with your Windows 11, go to your system, go over to recovery, press on reset this PC and remove all the files. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.